Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to do a stock market midweek update. It's Wednesday, so we normally do a midweek update on the market in general and our plays as a whole. So just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. This is for entertainment purposes only. Currently S&P 500, we did hit all-time highs again, and looking like we're crossing over from bullish to bearish, so you can probably expect a little bit of downside, small pullback, possibly to this level or maybe even below before we push back up. The good thing is we are still above that SMA line. Even if we fall all the way back down here, we can still make a good recovery back to the upside on a big pullback. So overall, I mean, everything's looking pretty good, pretty steady. The VIX is currently at about 16, which is good. Index, we're actually back in the green, and back at about 57 is our green number. So it shows me that we could pull back a little bit, but overall I think we still have some more room to run before some type of significant correction. So let's take a look at the plays that we talked about this week. We talked about Dynatrace, and I talked about getting in somewhere in the 60s, and it's currently hit a high of $70.18. We're currently flirting with overvalued. We actually got to overvalued, and we're starting to kind of pull back. I haven't even updated the Fibonacci retracement levels on this because it busted right through. I do see this one pulling back eventually, and maybe getting somewhere down into the 60s before continuing higher. This one again, guys, was something that I'm talking about, maybe just buying a couple of shares here and there and start nibbling at the stock for a longer term play. Next one up, guys, talked about is Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Ticker symbol GNOG, G Dizzle Manizzle. Again, this one's following DraftKings. So as DraftKings goes higher, this one will go higher. This one hit above $22 today, which is fantastic considering we're still in a bearish pattern on the MACD. This one's going to follow DraftKings again, though. So this one here, guys, I think this is going to go to $30 before the end of the year. And we're looking at DraftKings here. I got a couple of buy signals. We hit as high as 61 and some change. And again, your technicals are going to look pretty similar from DraftKings to Golden Nugget, considering they're following each other. And then next one up is IQST. We're going to look here. IQST had a decent little run up all the way to about 67 cents. And very, very large red candle. But then we bounced off of this support line of 48 cents, which is what I was wanting to see, and then again gapped up and bounced off of the SMA line, and we finished the day at about 55 or 56 cents. So as long as we can bounce off of that SMA line and continue to move higher, that's a good sign. Worst case, if we just kind of trade sideways at 50 cents, I'd be happy with that because I can buy more at these levels because that's where I like it, 50 cents or below. So let me know how your week's going, guys. This is a short one. I am also aware of the article that came out on Israel and the permits and all that type of stuff. For those of you who watch the channel for GNOG, Zion Oil and Gas, I'm going to make a video about that later on during the week. So I am aware of it, know about it, looking into it. So I'll make a follow-up video on that sometime later on during the week. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next video. Alright, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.